Hello friends, Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. I hope you're doing well today. In this tutorial video, I want to show you a feature that's commonly used in maybe larger sites or enterprise sites with the Protege GX platform, and it's called Photo ID. So basically, Photo ID will allow someone on site, with your card to recognize, where, what's the company name you're working for, what's your department, and what's your full name, and so on. Okay. So basically, you need one of these type of cards. Basically, we call it the ISO printable type of cards. So it doesn't work with clamshell. So you need these cards if you want to be able to print on a Photo ID printer. Okay. So today I'm going to show you quickly how to create a Photo ID template, how to assign the Photo ID template to a user, and how to print the card. Okay. On the card, we can put obviously photo fields, background images. We can put any custom fields or user fields that exist in the system. You just go by what the customer wants. All right. And it's a good way for quick identification of users, making sure that the card belongs to them, and so on. Okay. So to program this, obviously you need all your pictures ready, like the list of users with the pictures. You need also the background images if need be. Okay, so let's go in the Protege GX software, and I'll show you how it's done. Under users, you go to card template editor. Okay, so here I already have a template created. So what I did to bring those fields to the card, okay, first of all, I decided to go with landscape here. Okay, so because it's typically, what people like the most, you can put details, and it's basically in the same orientation as the card by default. Okay, so I put the background. This is under images. You simply do this, browse for the image, and then you drop the image on the background, and then you can resize it. You can make it full screen, or you can resize it how you want. To be honest, I'm not the best designer in the world, but I just want to show you how it's done. Okay, so I put the background by an image, and then you go to user fields, you add, this. So if I want to add another photo field, I would just drag and drop here, and then this is where you put it, and it's going to keep the aspect ratio to match when you add the user picture from the user properties. It will also keep the aspect ratio so that the user will not look like stretch or, and something like that. Okay. You can add also user fields, such as all those fields are available in the user by default, but you can also add custom fields. In this case, I dropped department. Here it's called custom one, so I dropped the department so I can link to the department name which is set in my user. Okay, so again, you can put text, you can put background images, and obviously, which is important, the photo field. So in this case, I have my full name, the custom field which is department name, and I have facility card number at the bottom in case it's not already engraved in the card. Okay. You can do the front if you want to print one side. You can also do the back. Sometimes people in the back will put, let's say, a phone number or an address to ship the card back to the end user if it's lost on the street or in the parking lot. So that's something that's available. So you can print both sides. Obviously, you have to select this option here. Print both sides if you want to do it when you print from the user. Okay, so it's very straightforward. Just design the card like the customer wants. Typically, they will provide the background colors, the images, the company logo, and such, so you can create it and make it look like what they want to. Okay, so now quickly, if I go to the user properties, I select my user, and I go to, first of all, under info here, I have the department name, technical support. If I go to photo, you can add a photo here. All right, and if you, this is the JPEG, and next then you can crop it properly, and then it's safe here. All right, and now you assign the template at the bottom. It's called Inaxsys, and if I hit preview just to make sure it fits, okay, this is the result. All right, so basically I have what it looks like, and I can print it. Okay, so now I can print card, and it's gonna look, and that's pretty simple. There's no really list of supported printers with ICT Protege GX. I mean, if the printer has a Windows driver and it's working properly, you can select the printer from the list, just like when you print a document with Word or Excel, So it doesn't forces you to buy a specific model. It just needs to be detected with the proper driver in Windows on the client machine, and that's it. Okay, so then you would print the card. Again, this was how to set up photo ID with the ICT Protege GX. We already showed in the previous video that you can also have the photo show in the events, so you can refer to that if that's something the customer would like to enable as well. Okay. Again, don't forget, Inaxsys is the proud Canadian distributor of ICT products, and we have plenty of tutorials and sales presentation videos on products, so you can learn that, first of all, the product exists and is sold by Inaxsys, but also you can learn how to program it, okay? So again, I hope you liked the video. My name is Fred Bergeron from Inaxsys. See you soon.